I'm gonna lock the door. Let's lock the door. I'm gonna lock this door. Do you know how to unlock it? What do you use? You use that? You want to get it? Here, let me pick you up. You can get it. Okay. Okay. You have to get one. That's a key. Okay. And how are you going to unlock it? Oh, I think you broke it. We can't share this video with Mommy. Oh, don't. Here, let's use the other side. Let's use the other side. Come here. So to unlock it, you have to push it in. Like that. I think I already unlocked it. Good job! Oh, it shot right out.